Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Realme GT Neo 3 smartphone, and in today's video we would like to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So basically that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you want to somehow get to the keyboard settings by either pressing on this gear icon, or you can also open up the general settings app. Here scroll down and find the system settings, keyboard and input method. Next go for the Gboard, preferences, and in here all that it's left to do is to turn on this number row toggle or number row switch, and as you can see now that will ultimately mean that we have successfully activated the separate number row. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.